So, got me a new toy. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another installment of Real Neat Gear. Today, got ourselves a little VR set for the Nintendo Switch. So I actually intended on getting the starter kit, but this is actually all they had at the store, so I was like, why not? Let's see what all they have to offer in the VR selection. Now, this is something that when I saw it come out, I was like, ooh, that looks fun. So I figured I would get it. Now, this obviously is going to be just an unboxing because getting capture equipment for the Nintendo Switch is quite expensive. Maybe sometime down the line, episode of VR Hijinks, we can do the Switch VR, but for now, there won't be any actual gameplay. So sorry about that, but we still have the unboxing for you. So let's go ahead and crack into it. Well, this looks interesting. What do we have here? We got, looks like the Labo game cartridge, Toy-Con 04. You know, remember that convention from 2004. And this appears to be just a placeholder. And what do we have here? It looks like some connector pieces, I guess. And oh my, this I would assume is the VR lenses. I'll go ahead and set that there. And we have model number 1. Set that there. Looks like some little shapes. And oh my, these are all, wow, this is a lot. Okay, so we have an array of models, all the cardboard cutout business. For this video, probably do just like 1 or 2 of them. If some people are wanting it, we'll share the remainder of them as well. And that is it for the box itself. Let us look at the lenses. Okay, do not start fires with these. As you can see here, clear-cut warning, not to start a fire. We're gonna go ahead and peel off this protective coating and oh my. If you've ever used the Oculus, these lenses are pretty much what you would see in the Oculus Rift. Okay, not sure what these are for. Okay, so there's the cartridge itself, and wait, are there instructions? Stickers, some rubber bands, and a lot of rings. I'm assuming these rings are for like the hinge parts. Okay, let's see here. This is just nothing. I'm guessing I put the cartridge in. Like that. It has a slot to put your name. Okay, so let's get to figuring out how to set it up. I have the full shebang. Okay, let's start with make. First, we'll practice. Okay, so part A. Oh, okay, this was in here and it just fell out. Okay, move this one from the sheet. So we got this part out. Try flipping the piece over once it's out of the sheet and spot the bits you need to pop out. That's it for practice. Time to build a real Toy-Con. Okay, and on to the time lapse as I build the VR goggles. Well, that's it. Nice little VR headset. It was a lot of fun putting it together. For being cardboard, it's pretty solid build quality too. But as always, I thank you guys for tuning in, and if you did like this video, let me know, and if you didn't, let me know. Otherwise, do subscribe and hit that bell for notifications on all future uploads and streams. And until then, I will see you next time.